Meet the blue-faced, golden-coated, snub-nosed snow monkey. There were stories of human-like monsters, yetis, abominable snowmen, who left strange footprints in the snow, but little else. And indeed, there are monkeys living in these snowy forests, and they're very strange. Big animals keep warm more easily than small ones, and they survive in colder conditions than any other monkey on Earth. They all have snub noses. Perhaps prominent ones would only too easily get frostbitten. Even adults, if they get separated from the group, can freeze to death.